Hi guys, it's Steven Bauer here. I haven't made a fire alarm video in a long while, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna test the smoke detectors, all three of them, so we're gonna start with this one, ready? Loud, isn't it? Let's do this. Focus camera. Wait for the green light. Turn back on. Anytime now. Man, that's slow. There we go. By the way, I woke up at 8 o'clock this morning after going to bed at 11. The time's 9:26 in the morning, so it's pretty early to do an alarm test, but I'm doing it anyways. Let's do this one in here, the stairwell one. They.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
And just for fun, we're gonna set the dryer buzzer off. Oh, I don't know if I can. There's a lot. Hold up a second. Just for fun, guys. I am bored already this morning. Okay, let's listen. See, hear it? Do it one more time. That's funny. Oh my god. And this pole station's still not fixed. See? I can't fix it. I think it's broke. I tell you what else we're gonna do. I'm gonna set the CO2 detector off one last time. We're gonna see how loud it is. We're gonna run out and see if we can hear it. I'm gonna set it off and run. Ready? We can hear it all the way out here. I'm gonna wrap this video up in a second. Come on. See, this thing's slow. There we go. Man, I feel weird. Okay, just for fun to end the video, we got a box of sparklers. I know this may be early in the morning to do, but I'm gonna shoot one off on camera so I can show you what these look like. If there's any in here. Oh yeah, there's some in here. Yesterday I was shooting a lot of these off, but when I was videotaping it, I couldn't get the light. Turns out I shot it off in the wrong end. I lit off in the wrong end, so yeah, hey, hold up. Hold up a second. I don't want this video to go too long because If that's the case, then my memory is gonna run out, and I don't want that. So outside we go. You know, it might be early in the morning to do this, but do it anyways. Let's light the thing. Wait, it's not lighting. What the hell? I'm not gonna light it in the house. Wait, oh. Come on. There we go. I think it's the wind. Light in the garage. There's no wind. I don't think it's gonna start a fire. Hey, I might have to put the camera down. Hold up. Get it light. What? Oh, there we go. Gotta be careful now here. See how fun these things are? That's it. Go dip in the pool and put it on the floor or in the garage. This thing's probably hot. I have a busy day today too, so I think tonight we're gonna buy some fountains and we're gonna shoot those off tonight. That's not till later tonight though. Probably 12, 13 hours from now. Like I said, I got a busy day today. Got a lot of stuff to do. So I'm gonna be busy. But I have a video from last night about the buzz and noise I'm gonna upload. I think that was a light flicker or something, I don't know, but I'm looking for something right now. Anyways, I'm gonna shut down now. I'll upload the video later, but I gotta put these all away. Alright. That's gonna be it, guys. Bye, guys.